In today's video, we will see nearly 10 examples of data cleaning. Let's start with our very first example. Our very first example is change date format. In this data, I have got my order date and my dates are not in proper format. And I want all the date formats to be same. So let's select our dates from top to bottom. Even we can select our dates from top. Means we can select the whole column. Now we will have to press Ctrl 1. Window of format cells will open. We will go in date. From here we can select a desired date format, can come down and will click on OK. And all the date formats got changed. Let's move to next example. Our next example is find and delete duplicates. So over here we have got two targets. First target is to find the duplicates and second target is to delete all the duplicates. So let's find duplicates first. I'll click anywhere inside my data and will press Ctrl A. Whole data will be selected. Now I'll go to Home tab. We'll come to right hand side. In right hand side we get the option of conditional formatting. I'll click on conditional formatting. Highlight Sales Rules, will come to right hand side, will come to the bottom and will click on Duplicate Values. By default we can see red color. I'll click on OK and all the duplicate values got highlighted. I'll select my whole data once again, but this time I'll not select serial numbers. I'll just select my data. We'll go to Data tab. In Data tab, we get the option of Data Tools and inside Data Tools, we get the option of Remove Duplicates. I'll click on Remove Duplicates. Window will pop up. My list has headers and over here we can see all our headers. I'm not going to do any changes. I'll click on OK. We got an alert. 2 duplicate values found and removed. I'll do OK and just notice all the duplicate values got removed. I'll select extra serial numbers. We'll right click the mouse, delete, and we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is deleting blank cells. In my data, I have got many blank cells and over here my target is to remove all the blank cells. In fact, I'll remove all the blank rows like row number 6, row number 9, 10 and so on. I'll click anywhere inside my data and will press Ctrl A. Whole data will be selected. Now I'll press F5 or function F5. Go to window will pop up. I'll come to the bottom and will click on Special. Go to Special window will pop up. Currently it's checked on Notes. I'll come down and will check on Blanks. We'll come to the bottom and will do OK. So all the blank cells got selected. Now I'll press Ctrl minus. Small window of delete will pop up. Over here we get 4 options. Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. We will check on entire row and we'll do OK. And all the blank cells or blank rows got deleted. We'll come to serial number. We'll select serial number 1 and 2 and we'll drag it down. And all the serial numbers got managed. And we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is avoiding errors. Whenever we create formats in Excel and we put formulas, it's very common to get the errors. And it may be any error. So how to avoid the errors? Over here we have got rate, sales and quantity. Over here we have got rate. There's no formula in rate. When I'll come to sales, there's no formula. But when I'll come to quantity, we have got formula over here. If I'll come to rate and we'll do this 0, enter, we got the error. So how to overcome this challenge? I'll click on top, we'll double click over here. We'll come in the very beginning, means I'll click just after equal to and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag my formula and all the errors got vanished. If I'll come to rate and we'll put a rate over here, enter, we are getting the result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is adjust numbers. In Excel, whenever we insert large numbers, we get our result something like this. If I'll click on any number and we'll check formula bar, we can see the numbers properly. So how to overcome this challenge? We will select all the numbers from top to bottom. Even we can select the whole column. We'll press Ctrl 1. Format cells window will open. Currently we are in general format. I'll click on number format. On the right hand side, we can see decimal places at 2. In case you want to keep the decimal places, don't do any changes over here. And in case you don't want to put decimal places, just do this as 0. Come down and click on OK. And just notice. Now we are able to see all the numbers properly. Let's move to next example. Our next example is extracting details. On the left hand side, we have got full name, and on the right hand side, we want first name and last name in different columns. Over here, I'll be using the function of text split. Let's insert the function or formula plus or equal to text split, bracket open, text. This is my text, comma, column delimiter. Between first name and last name, what's my delimiter? So we have got space over here. I'll put double inverted comma, space, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. And we got first name and last name in different columns. Now I'll drag down the formula and we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is extracting details 2. On the left hand side, I have got my details and I want to divide the details in various columns like region, company name, invoice number, client name and items. Over here we can't use text split because in details, all the things are not in sequence. Even I want company name in block letters or uppercase. Let's come to region. Let's cross-check in details what's our first region. It's East. So I'll type East over here. By the help of Tab key or right arrow key, I'll come to right. Company name. It's Samsung. I'll type Samsung over here. But I'll type company name in uppercase. We'll come to right side. Invoice number. It's 201. We'll come to right hand side. Client name Albert. Items mobile. Now I'll come to region and we'll press Ctrl E. We got all the regions over here. Company name Ctrl E. Invoice number Ctrl E. Client name Ctrl E. Items Ctrl E. And we got the desired result. And this happened through flash fill. Shortcut of flash fill is Ctrl E. Let's move to next example. Our next example is fill special character. In our data, we have got many blank cells and our target over here is to put some special character in all the blank cells. Special character may be anything like no data, fill data, even it can be something else. If our data is vast, it's really not possible to fill special character one by one. So I'll click anywhere inside my data and will press Ctrl A. Whole data will be selected. Now I'll press F5 or function F5. Go to window will pop up. I'll come to special. We'll select blanks. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. So all the blank cells got highlighted. Now I'll go to formula bar and will type my special character over here. I'll put no data. Now we will not hit enter directly. We will press Shift Control Enter. And in all the places, we got our special character. In case you are using MacBook, you will have to press Shift Command Enter. As we have filled our special character, we are not able to see where we have filled the special characters. So I'll select my whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab. We'll come to right hand side. Conditional Formatting. Highlight Cells Rules. We'll come to right and we'll click on equal to. And over here I'll type my special character, no data. By default we can see red color. I'm not going to do any changes. We'll click on OK. Just notice, all the special characters got highlighted. If I'll put some data over here like West, enter, my highlight got removed. Let's move to next example. Our next example is cleanup formats. This is my data and data is not in a proper format. If we will do formatting manually, means one by one, it's going to take lots of time. Simple way is click anywhere inside the data, press Ctrl A, whole data will be selected. Now we will go to Home tab. We'll come to right hand side. Over here we get the option of clear. I'll click on drop down. We see four options: clear all, clear formats, clear contents, and clear links. I'll click on clear formats. All the formats got cleared. Now I'll press Ctrl T. Small window will pop up. Create table. My table has headers. I'll do OK. And our data got converted in a very beautiful table. We'll go to Home tab. We'll align all the things in mid. We'll create borders over here. We'll select row number 2 and we'll align all the things in center. We'll select column B and we'll align all the things in center. Same with monthly sales and sales target. We'll align both in center. In case you want to change the color, go to Table tab on top. Over here we get the option of Table Styles. Click on drop down and select any style of your choice. Let's move to next example. Our next example is manage names properly. On the left hand side, we have got employee names, but employee names are not in proper format. We have got unwanted space over here. Even when we notice first name and last name, these are not in proper formats. Let's come to right hand side. Over here we will use two functions. First is trim, plus or equal to trim. Bracket open, text. This is my text. I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. Let's drag this down. What trim does? Trim removed all the extra space. Now let's come to first name. I'll double click over here. We'll come in the very beginning of the formula and we'll use proper. Proper, bracket open. We'll come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll drag this down. And we got the desired result. Can we delete raw data from left hand side? No, we can't. Let's undo this. Now I'll come to proper names. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll copy this. Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click on top. We'll right click the mouse. Paste special. We'll come to right hand side and we'll select values. Now we can delete our raw data from here. Perfect. Let's move to next example. Our next example is Unstack Data. On the left hand side, I have got my details. In my details, I have got company name, invoice number, region, items, and client name. I'll click just under company name, plus or equal to. I'll come to left side and will click on company name. Enter. Now we are in different row. By the help of right arrow key, I'll come to right, plus or equal to. We'll select invoice number and we'll hit enter. We'll come to right hand side, plus or equal to. I'll select region and we'll hit enter. Just notice one thing. Every time our row is getting changed, we'll come to right hand side, plus or equal to. We'll click on items. Enter. We'll come to right hand side, plus or equal to. We'll click on company name. Enter. From here, data of next company is getting started. Now I'll come to right hand side and we'll select all the details and we'll drag it down. Let's go on top. I will leave this selected. We'll press F5 or function F5. Go to window will pop up. We'll come to the bottom and we'll click on special. From here I'll select blanks and we'll do OK. All the blank cells got selected. Now I'll press Ctrl minus. We see four things: shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. By default, it's checked on shift cells up. I'll click on OK. Just notice, our data got unstacked very properly. Let's move to next example. Our next example is Unstack Data 2. Over here also, we have got all the details in a single column. But we want to divide in various columns like country name, capital, currency, and continent. Over here, our approach will be different. I'll come to country details and we'll click on very first country. Let's check cell number. It's C3. After that, C4, C5, and C6. From C7, next country details are starting. So details of first country are in C3, C4, C5 and C6. Let's come to right hand side. I'll put C3 over here. Enter. We'll click on C3 and we'll drag this to right. So we got all the cell numbers like C3, C4, C5 and C6. Now I'll come over here. Let's check second country details. C7, C8, C9 and C10. We'll go on top. This will be C7. Enter. We'll click on C7 and we'll drag this to right. Now I'll select all the cell reference and we'll drag it down. We'll leave this selected. We'll press Ctrl H. Instead of Ctrl H, even we can press Ctrl F. In both the cases, we are going to get the same window. That is of find and replace. Find what? Find C. Replace with is equal to C. I'll come down and we'll click on Replace All. Alert, all finished. We made 100 replacements. I'll click on OK and we'll close this. At the end, we can see extra zeros. We'll select all the zeros and we'll delete these. And we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is find and replace. When we notice employee names over here, at the end of few names, we can see monk or monk. But in few names, we have got champ. And my target over here is to put monk or monk in the end of all the names. So I'll select my whole data by pressing Ctrl A. Now I'll press Ctrl F or Ctrl H. Window of find and replace will open. Find what? Find champ. Replace with monk. We'll come down and we'll click on replace all. Alert, all finished. We made 5 replacements. I'll do OK and we'll close this. And just notice, champ got replaced with monk and we got the desired result. Let's move to next and last example. Our last example is arrange data without copy paste. This is my sales data, but the data of months are not in proper sequence. In the beginning, there should be January, but January is in the center. In the same way, after March, it should be April, but April is over here. So we are going to manage the data without doing copy paste. Let's come to January. I'll press Shift Control down arrow key and the whole data will be selected. If we notice, we can see plus sign. But when I'll come to edge, we can see palm icon. Now I'll press Shift, means I'll be pressing Shift button. We'll keep on pressing Shift and we'll drag my data in the very beginning. Just after serial number, we can see dark line. Now I'll release Shift as well as my mouse and my data got shifted. Let's come to May. We'll press Shift Control down arrow key. We'll come to the edge. Palm icon will be visible. Now I'll press Shift and will drag my data just after April. Dark green line is visible. Now I'll release my mouse as well as Shift button. My data got shifted. Let's come to July. We'll press Shift Control down arrow key. Whole data of July will be selected. We'll come to the edge. Palm icon is visible. We'll press Shift and we'll drag this just after June. Dark green line is visible. Now I'll release my mouse as well as Shift button. And my data got arranged very properly without doing copy paste. So these were the few examples of data cleaning. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.